Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated and laid the foundation stone of several development projects worth over 11,000 crore rupees at Guwahati in Assam this afternoon. BJP has launched the Goan Chalo Abhiyan to bridge the gap between urban and rural areas by taking central government schemes to the last person. Home Minister Amit Shah will address the valedictory ceremony of the Commonwealth Legal Education Association, Commonwealth Attorneys and Solicitors General Conference 2024 in New Delhi. Wet spells likely to continue over northwest and adjoining central India till Feb, says IMD. India built a sizable second innings lead against England on third day of second test at Visakhapatnam.